Hello everyone, I'm doing another video, except this one's not like what you are normally gonna see on my channel. I'm doing a video about my dog Sam. He is a Pogo. He's 5 years old. In dog years, he is 35 years old. He's a Pogo. His name is Sammy. He's really playful. Sammy, come here. He's always full of energy. And a fun story, on my birthday, he got it, or not on my birthday, a few days before or after my birthday, Sammy ran out of the house to another dog. The other dog barked at him. He ran the complete opposite direction and then stuck his tongue out. So, Sammy, come here. As you can tell, he doesn't listen well. Sammy! That was a cool jump. Sammy, come here, puppy. Sammy! Come on, let's go. Let's go to the door. Sammy, wanna go in? Come on, Sammy! Sammy, come on! Sammy! He does not listen at all. Ow. Sammy! Come on, Sammy! Come on! Sammy! Come on! I'm sorry guys about this. He's really stubborn, but cheerful and playful. And I'm just trying to get him in so you can get a better view of him. So, Sammy! Come here, puppy! Sammy! Sammy! Yeah, you can tell he doesn't listen at all. Sammy, come here. Sammy. Where did he go? Oh my God. Tell me if you can see him in the comments. If you can see him now in the comments, then tell me in the comments where he is and what time. The sun. Now you can stare at it for as long as you can want. Sammy, wanna go in? Come here, Sammy. Sammy, I have bacon. Holy crap, that usually works. I'm surprised it didn't. Sammy. Here he's coming. And come on. He's the speedy dog. Come on, Sammy. Here is my dog, Sammy. Sammy, look here, puppy. He has light brown eyes, a light brown fur coat. Let's go in. And he's off. The best thing of all about Sammy is he loves playing with my younger brother. Hi, Sean. Sammy. Hey, puppy. He's really cheerful, but when there's a toy, it doesn't stay around for long. So, here's my puppy. My big guy, Sammy. I want to get to my friend, but for now, it's just him. Sammy. You can hear my father. Sammy, Sammy, Sammy. Come on, puppy. Come on. Come on, Sammy. Come here. Come here. Come here. His favorite place to lay is on this beanbag cushion thing and on this couch. So, Sammy, come here, puppy. Come here. Come here, puppy. He's really friendly, which is good for being since I have a 2-year-old brother. So it's good that Sammy's friendly with him. He loves everyone. He'll bark if you come in without someone knowing, but if they know, then he's fine with it. And he always ends up getting his ear up like that. I don't know how. He always ends up looking like this. I don't know how he does it, but it just looks cute. Sammy, you're on YouTube, puppy. Yeah, puppy. You're on YouTube, puppy. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this video now with my dog because I have 2 other videos I need to upload. Then I need to upload this video, and I have a 3rd video that I haven't even started getting ready to upload. So I'm gonna be really busy. So this is my dog Sammy. He's a puggle, which is a mix of pug and I forgot what else, but he's so cute. I love him. He's the best dog ever. No pet could ever replace him. And that's all for this video. Bye.